Today I am going to unbox electronic voltage stabilizer VGSD 50 Smart. Working range 130 volt to 230 volt AC with 5 years warranty. Brand is VGuard. This is the features. Electronic voltage stabilizer VGSD 50 Smart, capacity 2 ohms, 230 volt single pass AC, stabilized one refrigerator up to 300 liters, net quantity one number, MRP 1850, manufactured September 2017. It is suitable for one refrigerators up to 300 liters. It can be single door or double door. This is the specifications: high and low voltage cutoff, ITDS 3-digit 7 segment display, ISO certified R&D. It contains warranty card, this is the stabilizer for refrigerator. It is coming with a LED volt display. This is the special feature: stabilizer with LED volt display. They have mentioned specifications, model number and everything. Now I have connected with power. I am going to switch on that. See how LED display going to work. It is keep on reflecting time delay. Now it is showing 231 volt. 231 volt. Because if you are having this stabilizer, you can easily identify your home voltage level also. That's all. The power cord length may be 1 meter. Hardly it is 1 meter. Okay. The plug point, small 3-pin plug, not suitable for 16 amps. This is one for small one. 6 amps. Since it is 300 watts, up to 300 liter refrigerator. small 3-pin plug and a plug point.